Hardware Product Company Limited, with the tenet of quality is our culture. Established in 2005. Located in Jinli Town, Gaoyao District, Jiaxing City, Guangdong Province. The factory covers an area of 3,000 square meters, about 50 staff members. Jiaxin is a professional manufacturer that specializes in multifunctional desk sockets, grommets, and hardware accessories. Our products are widely used in offices, libraries, kitchens, hotels, etc. We prioritize quality and safety. We have a first-class production and sales team, excellent equipment, and a comprehensive after-sales service system to ensure that your interests are maximally protected. We have our R&D department to meet different kinds of requirements, and our whole range of products have obtained CE and RoHS certifications. Our goal is to provide the best service and premium products at competitive prices to customer satisfaction. Except for the current products, we also provide OEM and ODM services based on a certain goods quantity. Products that are made by us are selling well in domestic and overseas market with good reputations. We now already have a mature market in Europe, Russia, Asia, the Middle East area. Acknowledged by new and old customers. Customers are willing to develop long-term partnership with us, and we are still expanding to all around the world. Choose us. Together, we create a bright future.